Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today, first of all, I hope you all are safe. You can stay at home, put some work in on your cars, or just relax at home, take it easy. Still COVID-19, but I'm sure we're getting through this. Here in Switzerland, things are starting to reopen, getting better. So today we're gonna set alignment on the gearbox and see if that works out. We already started on it. So what we did is we set up the measurement tool. We rotated it. Sorry guys, Siri just kicked in. So what we did is we set this up and we searched for the high point. So here we marked it up. This is a plus 16. We're doing all of this in metric measurements, and over here 180 degrees on the opposite side it's minus 10. It needs to be done in a pair. Someone needs to turn the crank over so it turns, and someone needs to keep an eye on the measurement tool so you can find the low point. So we marked it up, it says plus 16. Then we went 180 degrees on the opposite side, like from here to here it's all minus 10, so that's why it's not exactly on the opposite side, but doesn't matter. So we got plus 16, minus 16. You need to do this a couple of times just to make sure. So this gave us this, plus 16, minus 10. You get the make this minus this, so this gives you a difference of 26. You go divide it by 2, gives you 13, which is 0.13 millimeters, and the tolerance is 0.005 inch. I checked it out. This equals to 0.127 millimeters, and we are just really slightly above this. So if you're above this tolerance, you're supposed to use offset pins to move it, but we are so slightly above it, and like the measuring fault, like what's that in English? Sorry, I don't know what it is in English. It's very slightly above this, so we're just gonna send it. So yeah, this is this. So we got that done. So what we're gonna do is take it all off, set up the clutch, put it back together, and if all works out well, we're gonna install the transmission for the last time. So let's see how we do. So we're back in here. Got this ready, got it all marked up, so just in case something goes loose we can see it pretty fast. Got the plate on, and now I assembled the clutch and the discs, put them on here. We got our input shaft from a spare input shaft, which is used. There's quite some wear down here. But this is our centering tool, alignment tool for the clutch. Easy going. Sorry guys, battery passed out. So we got this. I got this in the correct order with the discs, clutch disc, and so on and so on. Alignment tool ready. So we're gonna put this on, and then that is set. I'm not sure we can go much further, but we'll see what it do. Alright, we got the clutch installed. See, everywhere we marked it up already. One is missing right now, so we marked it up. Got our alignment tool, which we can pull out. Peng peng, so it's ready to go. Clutch is on, hopefully for a long time. So yeah, that's that. So let's get to the bell housing. We had to go 18 foot-pounds of torque, which equals around 24 Newton meters. But good thing is we got both on this scale. Not sure if you can see it. So yeah, no calculations done there. Alright guys, gotta call it quits for today. So what else we did, we mounted up the hydraulic release bearing, but there's something off. I think it's too short. This cylinder, I think it's too short. It doesn't get all the way to the clutch forks. I'm not sure if I did something wrong or if it's just the wrong one. Clutch is in, as you can see, all marked up. Just received an LSD. We have to go through. Can't see it, but I'm not gonna unwrap it because LSD oil is always super nasty. So that's it for today. I hope you are well. I hope you enjoyed what we do. You got some ideas on how all that alignment stuff works on the bell housing. I hope to see you soon, talk to you soon, whatever. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, whatever. Always looking forward to get some comments from you guys. And stay safe, stay cool. See you soon. Bye bye.